walking through the airport at Atlanta. Getting ready to take a tour of this historic place. Casket was brought in. It's me and Gandhi. Hey, be the change that you want to see in the world. That's what I'll be. This right here is where Martin Luther King and Coretta Scott King is buried right now. Right. Hey everybody, it's day 3 and we're here at the Martin Luther King historical site. We're gonna see where he was born. This is Martin Luther King house right behind me. Look at that. Spelman campus, you know, I already checked the information I need to get my PhD here. You feel me? I got my schedule and everything. Atlanta! Woo! Onyx, everybody. About to see them make it rain. They about to pop it, twerk it. We just made it to Old Lady Gang. Old Lady Gang Shop, Southern Eatery. Yes, we about to throw it down. The original Fil A right here. Look at what they got. Sweet potatoes for their size.
Today, Michigan State Spartans versus Northwestern Wildcats. It doesn't get better than this.
No, it doesn't, my friend. This is what college football is all about.
Sea dragon. Y'all know I love starfish. And oh my God, they have them here in Atlanta. This one is a plant. And then this one right here is it was so bomb. We had a good time. We're in this sky cap over here at Six Flags. To get to the other side of the park, it's so big. I'm over here at the Trap House. They done painted it back white in Atlanta. Look at the pink tub right there still.